Hi, my name is Angela. I'm gonna sing "Hit Me Baby One More Time" by Britney Spears. If you can check. Oh baby, baby, oh baby, baby, oh baby, baby. I'm so just supposed to know something wasn't right. Oh baby, baby, thank you to have it. Now you're on a fire, show me all you wanted to be. Tell me, baby, what I need to know now what we got. And only has the truth of me and I'm just I said you need to believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Anytime. Hit me, baby, one more time. Baby, baby, oh, you got me blinded. Oh, baby, baby, there's nothing what I wouldn't do. That's not the way I planned it. Show me how you going to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know what we got. All I want is you and me, and I must confess, I still believe that I'm not with you. I lose my mind. Give me time. Hit me, baby, one more time. Baby, 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 oh, pretty baby. I'ma confess, my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know? Stay with me, you'll be here and give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Hit me, time. Hit me, baby, one more time. Loneliness is killing me now. It's not like to believe I'm nothing with you. Give me time. Hit me, baby, one more time. I think for watching. Salamat me. Bye. After